Hello everyone. Are you wondering what hard launch means? Let's explore. A hard launch refers to the public and official announcement of a significant event, often a new relationship, on social media. Unlike a soft launch, which hints at the event without full disclosure, a hard launch is straightforward and leaves no room for speculation. It might involve posting a clear photo of a new partner or making a bold statement that confirms the relationship status. Hard launches are used to declare something important to a wide audience, making it clear that the event or relationship is now official and recognized. This term is part of the modern social media landscape, where people carefully manage how and when they share personal news. In summary, a hard launch is about confidently and openly sharing a major life update with the world. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.